Welcome back to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel, you're gonna see a mix of videos from DIYs to reviews, a whole bunch of fun videos. Please make sure you subscribe. That really keeps me very encouraged to continue in this path. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these gel nail strips. They're from Mooyiyan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I already did my left hand, and look how beautiful they look. The material is like a semi-thick. They're not too thin, and you can just mold them to your nails. The color is beautiful. The thickness is perfect, and they shine. Just look at them. Okay, so the package comes with 22 nail strips, different sizes, and they come in this little pocket. They come with 2 alcohol prep pads. I already used one for my nails right now. And I'm not gonna use the new nail polisher. I'm gonna use one that I already had. I already prepped my nails I already push up the cuticle. I already filed them. So we're gonna go ahead and get to applying these. I'm just basically gonna grab the ones that I already did for the left hand. So each one individually, what I really like is that individually, they have this covering on top. So when you peel it, it's not the whole thing. It's just that one nail that you're gonna use. And basically, you just pull it out and you decide which side you're going to use to go all the way at the end, because I have very square nails, the one that is thicker. So you're just going to go ahead and apply it there. Usually I carry this top coat because I like to go over my nails, over it to protect them more. But these ones look so pretty that I think I'm just gonna go ahead and not put a top coat. So just basically set it down and go over it, bring it down, and then just go here. And you're gonna use your nail filer, and you're not gonna go over it. You're gonna just push the material down, and you're gonna go like slant it like this to cut it. So then you're just gonna go this way. And there is your nail right there. That easy, okay? So the reason why I sometimes put a top coat is because I go over it, but I also go down here to protect the nail more. But at this time, I think I'm only gonna go in here and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and continue with them, and I will see you at the end. Okay, we are done. Look at how pretty they look. So I still have nails for, I think, one more time. So we're gonna put them inside the little pocket. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these here. And I'm gonna put them inside, and I'm gonna fold it and put a tape on it so that they don't get any air inside and get dry. Okay, and I'm gonna store them away. So here are the nails. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box. The value of them, the price is really good. The quality seems to be really good as well. And for the price, I believe it's a very good value. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let's see if this lasts as long as they say they're going to last. They said up to 14 days. So I'll be writing a very short final review in 2 weeks. But other than that, here it is. Go ahead and click on the link and get yours. Have a blessed day.